Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over how you can set up an SMTP in cPanel, so let's get right into it. And first and foremost, let me explain what both of those terms are. cPanel is an online Linux-based graphics user interface, which basically means an interface where you can interact with a graphics system, which means showing pictures, instead of actually inputting code or commands to interact with the machine. It makes your website and server management much easier, so I would highly recommend it. SMTP is literally just a acronym for simple mail transfer protocol, which basically means setting up an email system on your device or on your website using cPanel. So let's get into how you can actually do that. Now I am using the StablePoint Home article on this, since it is much more convenient to me, since I cannot use cPanel for a certain reason, which I do not know. So just bear with me, and this tutorial should explain everything clearly. Just follow the steps and everything should be fine. But yeah, to set up an SMTP, you have two steps. First, you need to create a new email account. What you need to do is head over to the main page in cPanel, make sure you log in, and navigate to the email section. From the list or grid, whatever you want to call it, choose the first option that is titled Email Accounts. You will see the screen here at the bottom, and then what you want to do is click on the blue plus and create button. Then you'll be prompted to enter this information to actually create one, which are the username, password, and domain. And then giving your email app the authentication is the next step. You need to set up the email application so that it knows which server to communicate with. You need to give it also the required clearance. You will need the details of the outgoing server, and once you feed these details into your app, it'll be configured with your new email address. You can get the deets by clicking on the Connect Devices button, and you will be able to view them. Once you click this button, you will get the info you need by configuring your mail client. You're going to see two boxes. The one on the left is the blue box, which is the SSL TLS settings, which you can select, or non-SSL settings, which is not recommended, as you can see. The third and last entry, captioned outgoing server, is what you need to copy, which is this right here. And that's pretty much all there is to it. You're set up from there on forth. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.